Okay, so I did all 3 pistons. I got them parted off, and before I take this piece of stock out, this is 5/8 diameter still, so I gotta make the hub where the connecting rods will come off of. So I have enough left over here, so before I take this out of the chuck and lose the concentricity of this, I'll drill it and cut the profile that I need to cut in here. So let me get it laid out and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I got it laid out. I got my center drill in there. Look at the center drill and drill and lean it for 1/8 of an inch. Alright, one size one, the 1/8 of an inch, which is 7/64. I just wanted to take some measurements here and just make sure we have enough. So it's about 89, so we gotta go about 25 thousandths over on that. So I've been, I forgot I had this grooving tool from Banggood, so I just got to take a little bit more off of the edge of this. It's a little snug in there. So see if I can get in here. Okay, so alright, that fits good in there, so I'll just part this off. I think earlier I said this had to get turned down in the middle here to 7/16, but it really had to get turned down to 2 1/4 of an inch, 250 thousandths. So 252, that's close enough. Alright, I'm just going to part this off, and got some holes to drill, and bring you back in a little bit. Okay, so this is parted off, and the one side which I cut off, it's got to get surfaced a bit more, and it's also got to get trimmed down about 42 thousandths off of the side here. Let's see if you guys can see that. So let me show you what I've come up with. I don't know if you could see, I put it in the rotary table, because I gotta drill a couple of holes in here anyway. So it's in that first groove, and I got that bottom lip locked in that first groove. So I have enough, I got plenty of room here to take off, get this milled down, and then we'll get a Senate in here, and I could drill those 3 holes in a little bit. Okay, so the battery died in the final passes on this, so I got this cleaned up. This is nice and straight, nice and smooth on both sides. All right, that was from the lathe, and this was from the mill. Okay, so now I got to drill 3 holes equally spaced around here. It's 120 degrees apart. So now I don't know how I'm going to do that. Well, I figured out how I'm going to do it. The way I had it held in before, it was going to hit some of the jaws here. So I need to hold this up and hold it by its outer circumference on the outer parts of the jaw here. So now I need a way that I could get it held in the chuck straight. So I come up with this, an adjustable parallel. Lay it down in there and hold that down nice and snug, and that's good. Okay, so next step, I'll be centering the work and laying out a 7/16 bolt hole, 3 holes, 3/32 in diameter. So let me get you back when I get things set up. Everything all set up in the rotary table, center drill, and we can start at 3 holes, 120 degrees apart. Alright, finally 3/32 reamer. It's on the low speed.